The ANU STEM boxes are challenges and activities for young and curious people to see how science works.
These activities are being designed by the staff at the Australian National University.
We'll be shipping out STEM boxes over to your classroom with cool experiments like this lemon battery.
Science is asking why rainbows exist and what the furry creatures are around us.
It takes me back to what my early interests in science were.
I personally am now about to become a doctor because of my experience with science in high school.
We're planning to roll them out during National Science Week.
I think these activities are important for everyone to get a chance to explore things outside books.
We're giving you the opportunity to do some real science and learn about how the world works.
And this is our way to inspire you to pursue careers in STEM the way we did.
You learn so much from just being willing to try, and that's what all science is all about.